Super sarap, guys!
Ilagay. So yan, medyo lalambot yan of course ng konti. Ganyan kadami. Until ma-cover lang.
Magandang araw, Angels! My name is Chef Zheng of Heavenly Desserts, your dessert queen, and welcome to the third episode of Soak with Chef Zheng. Turo natin ang pinaka-trending na dessert ngayon, ang tiramisu cake. So let's get started! Let's pick first our egg yolk.
Okay, tapos ilagay na rin natin yung... Then we add the sugar. Start at slow speed para hindi tumalsik yung ating mga ingredients. And then, pag medyo okay na siya, let's increase our speed. Then we continue mixing our egg yolks until it's light and fluffy. So it's gonna take a few more minutes. So let's wait. This is the consistency that we're looking for. So light and fluffy, and nag-ano na yung size niya, nag-double na. Let's set aside first our egg yolk mixture. Then we whip now the egg whites. Now we mix our egg whites with the cream of tartar and the sugar. Let's pour our egg whites. And again, we put our speed at medium speed. Let's add our cream of tartar. Once the bubbles na nakikita natin on top is maliliit na, then we start mixing or adding our sugar little by little. See? Is this the one? Okay? Stiff bit na tayo. So let's fold our meringue sa ating egg yolk. Okay, fold na tayo, guys. Let's do it part by part muna. Huwag lahat para hindi natin ma-deflate yung ating meringue. Okay? Fold from here. Again, when we fold, guys, let's do it gently. What we'll do next is to mix all our dry ingredients and sift it using our sifter. Let's just sift it for isang beses lang para mas makombine natin yung mga dry ingredients together. Now, ang gagawin naman natin is to fold this. Fold lang po natin nang hanggat hindi na natin makita yung mga dry ingredients. Hindi naman kailangan yung sobrang walang lumps. So kahit may lumps, okay lang. So just fold it nang mabilis lang. So again, in parts, no? Para hindi din tayo mahirapan. Or kapag wala na tayong makita, okay, let's add more. So yan, wala na tayo uling makita. Ipa-pipe na natin ngayon siya sa ating pan. And it's ready to bake. Alright, so meron tayong piping bag here and the piping tip, yung bilog. Ipa-pipe lang natin siya ito sa ating parchment paper, sa ating tray, so we can bake it. And later, after piping, i-add natin or magdadust tayo ng icing sugar. So, tip also, when you do the piping, huwag nyo masyadong punuin para hindi kayo mahirapan when you pipe. Alright? When you pipe, lalo kung hindi pa kayo masyadong sanay, mas maganda kung hawakan ninyo mismo yung tip para mas makontrol ninyo yung piping. Okay, so from here, magpa-pipe lang tayo. It does with icing sugar, powdered sugar on top. So para mas maging crunchy siya.
Angels, ready na ang ating lady finger. So, i-bake na natin siya sa ating oven for 170 degrees at around 16 minutes. So, check lang for the color ng ating lady finger. Kapag medyo brown na, golden brown na on the sides, at yung mga ilalim, halos ganun na rin yung color, then it's ready. It's ready na yung ating lady finger. Ooh, ayan na. Ayan, medyo malambot siya, pero makikita mo na crunchy. Matigas na din yung top niya. And let's do our coffee syrup. So, ito very simple lang to. What we do is just combine everything. So, we have our hot water. And then our coffee. And of course, yung ating sugar. So, we'll just mix everything until ma-fully dissolve natin ang sugar and the coffee. And then, lalagyan na natin ng ating syrup yung lady finger. Iso-soak natin. So, let's set this aside first. And then, gawin muna natin yung ating cream. Now, let's cream together our mascarpone cheese, yung ating cream cheese, and yung ating condensed milk. So, lagay muna natin yung ating mascarpone cheese at saka yung ating cream cheese. I-cream together natin bago natin ilagay yung ating mga pampatamis. Yan. So make sure also na nasa room temp ang ating mga cheese para madali natin siyang ma-mix at ma-blend. So ayan, Angels, after natin ma-mix yung ating mga cream cheese, mascarpone, the condensed milk, and the icing sugar, i-transfer na natin siya sa bowl. Then we whip yung ating all-purpose cream. Transfer muna natin siya sa bowl. So, ayan guys, after transferring yung ating mga cream cheese here on the same bowl, i-mix naman natin yung all-purpose cream natin. Okay, let's just whip it. Let's whip our all-purpose cream. Ito, Angels, hindi ito mag-whip katulad ng whipping cream. So, since it's all-purpose cream, mas maganda na chilled siya bago natin siya i-whip para medyo mag-volume up siya ng konti. Guys, ganyan lang ha. Hindi ito masyadong mag-volume talaga. This one, we can just add. Okay, and just fold it. Combine lang natin siya ng maigi, and then, we're done. Ayan na guys, let's assemble our tiramisu cake. Ayan na Angels, ready na tayong isoak yung ating ladyfinger sa ating coffee syrup. And by the way, para sa mga gusto ng may alak yung kanilang tiramisu, pwede nyong i-add dito sa ating coffee syrup yung Kahlua coffee or any rum. So, let's start soaking yung ating mga ladyfingers. So, ayan, Angels, pin-repair ko na yung mga small containers na pwede nating paglagyan ng ating tiramisu cake. So, pakita ko sa inyo how nito igagawin. So, let's just soak it. Ayan. Madali lang naman pumasok sa loob yung mismong coffee. So, ayan, medyo lalambot yan, of course, ng konti. And, ilagay na natin siya diretso sa ating containers. And then, after that, ilagay na natin yung cream. So, ito, yung paglagay naman ng kapal ng cream, depende na yan sa inyo. Siyempre, kung mas makapal yung cream, mas mahal. So, i-proportion na lang ninyo according to your liking. Pero siyempre, kung pambabao natin to sa mga kids natin at serve natin sa family, I would prefer na mas makapal yung cream. Kasi mas masarap talaga siya. Hindi sakto na yung ganyang kadami. Let's do our second layer. Same thing lang guys, we soak this again sa ating coffee syrup, then ipatong lang natin siya. Yung ating second layer ng cream on top. Bago natin lagyan ng cocoa powder on top, lagyan natin siya ng parchment paper sa ilalim. Una, para hindi makalat yung paglalagay natin ng cocoa powder. Pangalawa, anything na tumapon dito, pwede natin ibalik. So parang hindi sayang. Until makover lang. Huwag na rin natin masyadong kapalan kasi medyo nakakaubo pag masyadong makapal ang cocoa powder. So, we're done. So, ayan na, Angels, tikman na natin. Ooh.
Super sarap, guys. So, ayan.
Ang sarap, grabe. Actually, it also melts in your mouth. Ang sarap, guys. So, ayan. Sobrang dali lang gawin. Pwedeng gawin sa bahay. Pero may problema tayo, guys. Baka hindi na kayo bumili ng tiramisu sa Heavenly Desserts. Pero grabe. Pambenta to, guys. Pwede nyong gawin to. Again, it's very easy to do it. Ingredients-wise, madali naman natin siyang bilhin sa any supermarket. So, ayan, try nyo na to, guys. So, that ends our episode for today, guys. If you have any suggestions for our next episode, do comment below. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. This is Chef Jeng, your dessert queen, and I'll see you on our next episode. Bye!